Did it start?
Go.
Go and say welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the
Channel.
Keep a channel. In this video calls the BFF Snack Time, and we're gonna be rating all these snacks in a snack crate.
Yeah. Last snacks in there.
Yeah.
It's
Where
like
we got the snacks from is right here. Where we got the snacks from.
And this is our cousin Seven. This is our friend Addison. This is the sister Talia. This is the brother Coy. And this is my friend Ricky.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, eat. Now let's try these first.
So tell me what we're gonna be trying.
We're gonna be trying
Nixel Pixel.
Nixel, Pixel, and it's
Pixel.
like gummies. Yeah.
Okay, everybody get one.
I'll get this.
What are these? These look good. What do
Ready?
you guys rate it?
3, 2, 1, try.
I'll add it too.
We're good. I rate this a 10 out of 10. These are good.
I give it a 9.5. What do you give it?
A 10 out of a 3.
10 out of 3. Okay.
3 out of 3.
I get it a 9 point.
Oh, I just got another one.
Let me get another one. These are good.
Y'all not supposed to eat them all. Y'all supposed to just try it and then put that aside.
We got it all.
I have to just eat
The
it.
whole snatch.
Okay. Now,
I eat this.
Let's
let's try the chocolate one. No.
I have to.
Let's do this one. Okay, we're gonna be trying the
I'm gonna do it. We're gonna be trying the Kirby. What is it called?
Trebicki.
Ow.
What is it?
It's chocolate.
Oh,
It's
okay.
white chocolate.
No, it's not. This is dark chocolate. This is just chocolate.
Go.
Okay.
I'll break it.
Ooh.
Dang, that's crunchy.
Just break it to there for everybody to get a piece. That sound crunchy.
And then Ricky
Is it
gets...
good?
Eat this.
Here, Ricky, break it for yourself. Let me try it.
Mmm.
It's good.
Okay, let's try it.
I rate the 9.6.
I give it a 8.4.
I give it a 5.
I give it a
What do you give it?
I give it a 10 out of a 1.
So 1 out of 10. You mean?
Can I throw this away? I don't like it.
Yeah, you can
1
throw
out
it
of
away.
10.
No, you just gonna put it
So
right.
they get a
you gonna
napkin
put it
and
right
just put it
here.
on there so they can the
He
trash
don't put
can
it
go
right
in there.
there.
Get a napkin.
You guys, the
Put it
napkin.
on.
If you don't like it, put it right here.
Here, take that off.
No, I like this. So here.
If you don't like
The
it.
trash, if you don't like it, just put it there. And this is just the one that we already used.
I only like the chocolate.
You just
Okay.
like the chocolate?
Yeah.
What's next?
Okay.
No, we
Okay,
go
let
Okay, let
Ricky
Ricky pick.
Hurry up.
And this one, banana chocolate.
This looks good.
It's banana chocolate.
Looks good to you. Everything look good.
Every day is good.
7.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Ooh,
Here, Ricky.
ew.
We're all gonna try at the same time. Here, Tori.
Mama, this looks bad actually.
You have to try it.
Smells bad.
You have to try it though.
Smell it.
Smell that?
Smell it.
You
Look,
smell it.
Smell it.
Okay, ready? You have to
bad.
try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm not. I can't.
I
I can't do it. I'm not.
Freezing
I'm
it was a
not.
bad
I'm
idea.
not
Where's
doing
my water?
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not
This is
doing it.
nasty.
Put it. I'm not doing it.
Freezing it was a bad idea. It will taste more better if you didn't freeze it.
No, it's probably still gonna taste nasty.
Okay.
Okay, let 7.
Now we're trying
Or
this
no,
one.
let 7 do it. Okay, 7, you pick it out.
I want to get.
And then it's you.
The clown.
Okay, Addison wants to, 7 wants to do the
ugh.
crunchy
I
corn
don't want
puff.
to taste it. I don't want to taste
Ew.
that.
I don't like it. It's. Ooh.
It smells like peanut butter. It smells like peanut butter. It smells like peanut butter.
It smells like peanut butter.
Like peanut butter.
Yeah, see?
It does.
Okay, here, everybody get a chip. And get one.
Hurry up now.
Disgusting. Why does it look like that?
Should we eat this?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's kind of look.
I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it 3.5.
I'm gonna give it 9 10.
I'm giving this a.
I give it a Gazebo.
I'm giving this an 8.
This is the worst one out of all.
Okay, Ashton, now you pick it.
Now,
No, Corey, I don't want to pick.
Okay, we're gonna do this one.
3-bit. Ooh, it might
is it froze?
Yeah.
Yeah. What froze? Oh, the frozen
Cause
one.
Talia,
Oh my god, I'm gonna be right back.
we want to freeze.
I'm gonna
everything.
miss the whole video. We're gonna be eating like, and you're just gonna be like at home like.
No, I'm not gonna be at home.
Where you going?
What do you eat?
A gummy is still right here.
Oh, gummy.
It's gone.
You ate it all?
No, Mama has the gummies over there.
Mama, can I have one?
No.
Y'all got some tiny, tiny.
The 3-bit. Oh, and here, Ricky.
It's only a little bit.
And here, Corey. You have the big piece.
No.
Okay, then break it. Try to break it.
I'm gonna get a tiny piece.
And then here.
Tag it in.
And then here, let me break it for you, Corey. So this. Okay. Okay.
I'm
Okay. Here's
gonna
7.
try to get Chloe.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. This one.
9.4 out of
I'll
10.
give this a 10 out of 10.
9.5.
I give this
4.
I give this a 10 out of
9.6.
9.4. A 9.
A 9 out of 10.
That's good.
I need a napkin.
Now I pick.
I need a napkin too.
I want to try this one. I want to
And
eat a
then
napkin.
after you,
So give me a napkin.
The gummies were the best.
Here.
I don't know what to say.
Okay, we're gonna
I
be trying
do want
a
one
chocolate sandwich or something.
chocolate sandwich.
It looks
What
good
are
here.
those?
It's like a chocolate sandwich.
Yeah, I'm not good. Nailed it.
Take a bite.
Mm-mm.
Take a bite. This is busting.
This
Okay,
is you and Ricky
3,
first time in our video.
1. Mmm. Okay.
Whoa.
Good.
I need the chocolate.
And the chocolate. Of course, because you know you like the chocolate.
All over the place.
It's good.
I'll do that one.
I good this. Okay, 7, what do you rate this? We're gonna go like in line. So 7, what do you rate this? Look through the camera. And say what do you rate it? A 10 out of 10? Okay. So what do you rate it?
Look at the camera.
I rate it a 9.8. No, 8 out of 10. Fucking party.
Okay. I rate this a 8 out of 10.
Okay, I rate this a 7 out of 10.
Wait, what are those?
This one.
Yes.
What do you
Oh,
rate?
I rated it out of a tweet. This is a tweet.
3 out of 10?
Okay. No, this is a tweet.
Okay, okay.
That's not possible.
Yeah, it's not.
It's my turn. The ones that I want to try is
No,
the
it's my
Pedro.
It's my turn.
No, then it's Corey, then me,
Yeah.
and then it's you, and then it's 7, and then Addison.
Yeah, I'm not.
Ew.
So guys, we're gonna be trying the Pedro rainbow.
And we're gonna
Sticks.
be trying the Pedro song. Pedro, Pedro, Pedro.
Oh, this looks good.
Bro, you eat it.
Ricky. I think it's too good.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's another one.
Give me one.
Give you one. There you go.
Let me do it.
This is good.
Man, I actually don't want the other one.
You're good.
It good?
Want some?
But you want some? You want some camera?
Want
You
some?
Want some camera?
Guys, want some?
Camera woman? You want some? I go. Oh, TV woman. And we're talking to us. This like and subscribe.
You threw it? Where'd you throw it at?
On the table.
What? Good. Good. 7, what do you rate this? Go say it to the camera.
It's 10 out of 10.
Okay. Alright, what do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
A 9. No, 8.
What?
Okay,
A
what
10
do you
out of 10.
Okay. Okay, go Ricky. It's your turn to pick it.
I'm just not.
Put it. This is the trash right here. But if you still want to eat it, just eat it.
Give me it.
No, Ricky's still gonna eat it.
What? But
Okay.
you still eating it? Yeah.
We'll just leave it. Corey, you eat that piece?
I'm still gonna eat it.
Okay, Ricky, what you want to shoot?
Go free!
Chocolate.
Okay.
Guys, I left the game on. I
It's
left
okay.
the oven on in our house.
It's okay. You have to.
When I was cooking.
Why are you cooking?
Yeah.
Stop doing that
midnight
before you
snack.
fall out that chair.
I was cooking
Oh,
for
okay,
it.
guys, it's only 2, so we're going to break it in half. Like for, oh, here. You have Ricky, you have
Bless
this
you.
big piece.
That's chunky. We got a lot of layers.
Okay.
Why so tiny piece? Give me a tiny piece.
Okay, here, tiny piece. And then 7 give me. And I'll get
I tried it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I don't want it.
It's good.
It just look like a waffle cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do we bounce all the time? It's good.
Yeah. Ricky, you good?
Look. Break it on.
Okay. Turn blue right up. Look at the
10
camera.
out of 10.
Everything.
8 out of 10.
18 out of 10.
I'm giving it a 10 out of and
10 out of 50.
No, give me the
No,
water.
a 3.
Water. A 3.
That don't make
A 3 out of 10?
sense.
A 3
10
out of 10.
out of a 3.
That don't make
Just
sense.
say
3 out of 10.
Okay, who turn is it next? 7 turn to choose. 7, your turn to choose in the box.
Okay.
It is not nasty, 7.
Well, you just said
I want.
It is yours,
Let
Aaliyah?
me eat.
no, that's
Yes,
Ricky.
eat this.
You want this one? Oh, this is pretzels. Okay, guys, we're gonna be eating pretzel sticks.
Pretzel sticks.
Everybody, we're gonna be eating pretzel sticks with cheese.
No, we're not.
What? No.
Okay, here, Ricky, pretzel sticks.
Say the extra. I don't want it. I don't want one.
But you have to try.
No, I have to fight. I like this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I can't.
Oh,
I'm not. I can't.
eat it or you have to try it.
Is this a pretzel?
I can't.
No.
I
It's
like
a nasty
this
pretzel?
nasty. Ew. You
No,
like it?
go scoot it into the trash.
Now she's eating it and then yeah.
Okay, now, because the video, you know, I got to make it short. Go say so. You have to try the rest by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
So say thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for joining us
We
today.
had tried.
Yeah, don't forget to like and
Hey,
subscribe.
and give us 1 million views so we could be famous.
No. Give us 10 likes and we'll try. Give us 1,000 likes and we'll try Japanese snaps.
Japanese.
And then next time, 2,000 likes, Korea snaps.
No.
Yeah.
10,000.
So
Okay.
say thank you
Thank you
Thank
for
you
joining
for watching.
Thank you. Thank you. Like and subscribe.